G'day guys, Greg here. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to be making for you a toasted sandwich using my trusty old air fryer. Now I really do like using that thing. I use it all the time, sometimes twice. But today it's a toasted sandwich, and I'm going to make it a hot dog toasted sandwich because I know all my bros out there love a good hot dog. So let's start making it. So of course you're just going to need your stock standard hot dog ingredients. You can just use whatever you want, but this is what I'm using today. So let's whip this bad boy up. Okay, we'll start off with some butter. Boy, that's soft, which is good. It's the only soft thing I like, especially around a hot dog. So we'll whack that on both sides of bread. Now I want to flip one of these breads over, but you know, I really hate it when you turn it and then the butter goes all over your cutting board. So what I intend to do is use this plastic cheese, lay this down, and that means I can lay this on top, and Bob's your uncle. Which is in fact true. My uncle's name is Bob. So I've done that. How about we cut this in half, and we'll cut this into thirds. Some people have never seen red hot dogs before. I don't know why. I mean, they're stock standard in this country at least. But people are always amazed at my red hot dogs. So we'll just create something there. Now I do like some onion on my hot dog, so might as well just cut a few slices of that up. Nothing better than some good old wholesome onion. It's good for so many things. I think it's really good for your blood system. What else is it good for? Bad breath. Yeah, that's right. Don't start eating this if you're going on a date, fellas. Unless you're making her one as well. Or him. Or z. I don't know what they are nowadays. In my day, it was a man and a woman. Now, it could be a fire truck or a roof tile. Who knows? Okay, so next. Look at that mustard. It just spurted everywhere. Put some mustard on. Oh no, I need to go to the shop, get some more mustard. Lucky I got Patreons. Help me pay for this sort of stuff. Thank you very much, Patrons. It's because of you I can still do this stuff. Now, what else? Put some tomato sauce. Gotta have tomato sauce on a hot dog, even though everyone in America tells me, you don't put tomato sauce on a hot dog. You know, maybe where you're from you don't, but I tell you what, where I come from, you do. So, now I'll put some different cheese on here. And, well, it's just to show you that you can use different cheeses if you like. Now, I like putting the cheese on sort of both sides because then it gives it a nice melty factor. And when it melts, it sort of holds everything together. So we'll just put that on top now. I think I put everything on I wanted. Give it a push down. Make sure it's nicely pushed down. And now it's over to the air fryer, where I'll whip that out. Don't forget to take the plastic off the bottom, because that's the last thing you need, is that melting in there. We just place that in. Now the reason I sort of push this down is because if you don't, sometimes the air fryer, the wind that's inside this will blow the bread off. It can happen, and it still might. So in she blows. And today I'm going to be using 200 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and flip it. Alright, well the beeper's gone off. See? That's what I said. The wind in this thing creates turbulence and like blows stuff around. Yeah. But that's all right. That's why you have one of these things, a spatula. Just push it back down. The cheese is sort of half melted now, so it should stick. But now we got to flip this over. That's the next thing. Right. So carefully stick your hands in there. It's very hot. In fact, it's probably about 200 degrees Celsius. So just be careful and give it a flip. Okay. Back in. And once again, 200 degrees Celsius, 4 minutes, and away we go. All right, well, the timer's gone off for the second session, and just take a look at that. Look at that beautiful color on there. Let's get this out. Now, can you even see that sandwich on this cutting board? It sort of blends in, doesn't it? All right, well, let's cut this open. Oh, that crunch. I usually like to go triangles with mine. Oh yeah, have a look at that. All nice, cheese is melted, there's heaps of sauce in there. What more do you want? Maybe you want 2 of them. Why not? Yeah. Alrighty, well, here we go. The toasted sandwich made in the air fryer. Can't wait. Mate, the crunch from the air fryer toasted sandwich is second to none. The cheese is melted, the hot dog's hot, everything's hot inside. It could be the 8th wonder of the world, but I don't think it's going to last that long. Oh. Well, there you go. You might have learned something today. That's always a good thing. And if you did get this far in the video, remember to show some thumb and love. And today I will finish this video off with a live outro. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a delicious hot dog in the air fryer. No, it wasn't a hot dog, it was a toasted sandwich. Get your facts straight, mate. Good it was.